Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 7 minus 1, then again 7 minus 3. So most people solve this question like 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, then multiply 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now 6 multiply 4 is equal to 24. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay. Then addition and subtraction also have equal priority. Okay. Is equal to. Now in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 7 minus 1. Now 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Is equal to 7. Here is a 1 subtraction and here is 1 multiplication. So according to the rule, multiplication is first priority. Okay. So 7 minus 1 multiply 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore the correct answer is 3. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe to Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.